Hi, it's Rhonda with here today. And today I wanted to come on here and show you a really neat program that I've been using for about a year now. And this is a great way for you to make some extra money. So besides using this program to help you in your business, I'm going to show you how you can use it to also make some extra money. So I'm going to share my screen here. Give me just a second. The name of this program is called Blaster. Blaster Suite, this particular company, they have a bunch of different software. As you can see over here on the left, this particular software is called the Thumbnail, Blaster Thumbnail. Anyways, I am here in my suite. As you can see, this is the thumbnail creator. So I want to scroll down really fast all the way to the bottom, because I want to prove to you first, I want to show you some proof that I actually use this program. So you can see all of these here at the bottom are thumbnails that I have used for my own YouTube channel, and also I have an agency license, so I have some other thumbnails on here for other customers and clients. But you can see from yourself, I am not lying. I actually do use this software, and these are all the thumbnails that I have made for my YouTube channel. There's a lot. I've been really working on building my YouTube channel. So I'm going to go all the way back up to the top here in just a second. Still going on mine. See, you can see here, I have a lot in here, but I'm going to go all the way up to the top and show you that these are the templates that it comes with. Now, there is a club you can join that is optional. You don't have to join that club. So I'm going to turn that off because I am not actually a part of the club. It's a monthly club. If you want to pay an extra fee, they upload new thumbnail ideas every single month. So if you do start making a lot of thumbnails and using this as a side gig, that might be an option for you to give you more variety. But these are all templates that they have here, and they're all totally customizable. So I'm just going to show you, they have all these templates that are all professionally made. The quality is excellent on them. I can tell you just from using them on my channel and making some for some other people. So how does this work? So all you're going to do is pick a template that you like. And you can see like some of them say weight loss or pranks, but you don't even have to go by that because all of these can be totally customized to your own thing. But if you do have one that say you're doing for someone with yoga, it could be very easy for you to just come in and use this particular template and just put their company name or their colors in there. You could just very simply do that. However, you can totally customize them to make them your own with different things, which I have done here at the bottom. So how does this work? So what you're going to do is you are going to pick one that you like. Let me just pick this one, for example. You just hit use template. And you can literally have a YouTube thumbnail done in less than 5 minutes once you get the hang of this program and once you start to know your own personal likes, what you like, or if you are going to do this to make extra money, what your client likes. So now it brings you into this editor, right? So to save this, you just come up here and you're going to put whatever the name of your YouTube is and why you want to, or the thumbnail, the video that you're making. Why you want to do that is so that it saves as a different file where you saw all mine there. They're going to save them all for you in this software. So you're going to come here and you can see it says your title goes here. So now this is one about a dentist, right? So you could put the dentist's name, what they're offering, if they're having a sale. Super easy. Already has a professional picture on here for you. But what if you really like this template and you want to use it for something else? You're just going to click on this picture and come down here. You can delete that picture. Now you have a blank screen here. Up here, there are images that are available. The system has images. You can actually upload your own images. I have a bunch of mine. The system has a bunch of images here for you to use. You can go on Pixabay You can search for something that you're looking for. You can go to icons. So let me just see, I'm going to do dentist just for the heck of it so you can see. This is going to pull up little cartoons, little graphics, fun things like that if you wanted to do something like that. So it's super, super easy. I'm going to pick one just to show you. So say I'm doing something about a sporting goods store. I'm going to pick this one. So I like this picture. It's action sports. I'm making a video about that. I'm just going to make this bigger. I'm going to scroll down here. I am going to send it to the back. So now all your stuff shows. There you go. Easy peasy. That's how easy it is to change out what you want this thumbnail to be. Okay. Change your title. You can put, go in here. Say I want to say action, sports. Just showing you how easy this is to do. Just like that. You could put the name of the company or something else that you're doing there. You could even change out the colors. So say you don't like this yellow. Once you click on each box, it brings up this tab over here to the left, right? So now I'm on the yellow. As you can see, it shows yellow. Say I want it to be more of a blue to go with action sports. You can scroll around, see what looks the best, what colors you like. There you go. Okay, I like that one. All done. You've totally changed the look of this thumbnail. That's how easy it is. You hit save and continue. Just want to show you as a sample here. It is going to save it for you right in your software. And then what you can do is you can actually download this. I'll show you in 1 second. My internet must be a little bit slow here today. So here it is, right? And now it's saved in my files. But now say I do want to make this, you know, where I'm making some extra money. I'm going to save this as a JPEG. I'm going to go to a file wherever I'm saving stuff, save it to my computer. So now I can send it off to a client, which is going to go along with what I show you next. So how do you sell these things? Head on over to Fiverr. You can sign in if you are already a customer, or, you know, there you go. If you want to join, you're just going to click on join, continue here, and you are going to sign up as a seller. So now when you sign up right here, become a seller. It's super easy to do. It's free to do, free to sign up as a seller. So you can say, what am I, a designer? What's your skill here? It's going to tell you, right? Social media marketer, designer. So for this one, you could actually put that you're a designer if you want. You're just going to go through this and become a seller. It's going to set you up with your free account. So now I'm going to show you in Fiverr how you're going to make extra money. If I click in here, YouTube thumbnails, you are going to see all these people that are selling thumbnails. And if you look closely, some of these thumbnails were probably just made on that same Blast Your Thumbnail program that I just showed you. So you can start off, they're going to do them anywhere from $5, $20, $25. Here you go, $5, $30. Now, as you click on these, I'm just going to show you this person as an example. This person is doing one thumbnail for $10. That's it, easy to do. And they are definitely using that program. As you can see, these look very familiar because that is basically the program that I just showed you. Let me see, there's some more. I started this one at $5. I want to show you that this one is doing 5 thumbnails for $5. How easy is that? With this program, you can easily come into Fiverr, create your own account, and start making money doing thumbnails. As you gain your popularity, as you're doing more, you're going to be able to raise your prices. So you might want to start out at only $5 or $10 and then move up. But that is a simple way for you to make some extra money with this easy program and look like a professional designer. Now, I'm going to put the link to this program underneath my video. This is the program I use. I love it. Like I said, I've been using it for over a year, and you can use it for your own YouTube channel, your own videos, your own social media content. I actually post these graphics on LinkedIn and other platforms also, but now you can use it to make a little bit of extra money by making thumbnails for other professionals, for other businesses, for other entrepreneurs. If you like this video, please like and subscribe below. Leave me a message if there's any other kind of content that you'd like, and I'd be happy to look into that and make it for you. And once again, check the link below this video to get started with Blastr so that you can start making some extra money on Fiverr.